What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we're going to draw Jiren. Okay, so today we are going to draw Jiren from Dragon Ball Super. This is the guy Goku fight against in the Tournament of Power. And without further ado, let's get started. First, what you want to do is draw a perfect square. Each side is 6 centimeters. We are going to start by drawing Jiren's face. We'll do that by using 5 lines. Next, we are going to draw the wrinkles between the eyes using 4 lines. And then we are going to draw the eye by using some curves. To create the eye, we'll use 2 lines. We'll do the same process for the left side. Next, to create the nose, we'll just use 2 lines to indicate his nostrils. We'll add some wrinkles right there. And then we're going to draw the mouth. We'll start with the shape of the mouth and then add the teeth. And the wrinkles around it. And I almost forgot about the famous cheek marks, so make sure to add the cheek marks right below the eyes, just by using some curves. Next, we're going to draw the top of his head, just by drawing half of a circle. And then we are going to draw his ears, which basically looks like a bowl of food you give to your dog or your cat. Next, we are going to draw some veins on the top of his head. And then we are going to draw his massive neck. We'll do that by using 2 curves, following with 2 more curves to create his trap muscles. Next, we'll get rid of all the guidelines. And then we're going to add his neck muscles. His Adam's apple, and we'll refine his traps. Now next, we'll indicate his chest. We don't want to draw his entire torso. Also, now we'll go back to the eyes, we'll refine them by adding the highlights. Next we're going to shade them a bit We'll start with the mid-tone, that's gonna be a mid-tone of gray. And as you guys can see, I'm shading in the direction of the shape. Then we'll color his iris. For that I'm gonna hold the pencil closer to the tip, and then we'll get a darker tone of gray. Awesome, next we're going to mark all the shaded areas. So for this drawing I want the main light source to come from the left side. That means that the right side will appear darker because it gets less light. Awesome, and now it's time for the shading process. This time we are going to use the cross-hatching technique. We're basically gonna draw some diagonal lines with the same space from one another, and that way we can create the illusion of shade. Next, we want to shade the darkest areas. For that, we are going to draw another diagonal lines, but this time in the opposite direction. That's why it's called cross-hatching. Also, now if you want to get some more contrast, that means if you want to get more shade, what we're going to do is grab the HB2 pencil and we'll add a soft layer on the shaded area, just like that. And we are done! Everybody, this is how you draw Jiren from Dragon Ball Super. This was a sketch tutorial and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know how you did in the comment section, write me down below. And make sure to leave a like if you find this tutorial helpful and if you want me to create more tutorials for you guys. I upload new tutorials every week, 4 new tutorials every week. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep being awesome as always, and I'll see you on the next video very soon, probably tomorrow. Peace.